wanted to know that with your experience working with startups and the entire startup technology ecosystem, what are the few things that Indian startups, AI first startups, need to do to stand out, and what we as business management students can learn from this and inculcate moving on?
So I'll tell you what I think makes an AI first startup stand out in India, and I think what makes it stand out is really solving for Bharat. We're a country of 22 official languages and many dialects at that. We're also a country that is very agriculture heavy. We have our own very unique problems. So startups like Krutrim, let's say Sarvam, then there is Kisan. These are the ones that are solving for India in terms of dialect, in terms of India specific problems, and I think there's a lot to learn from them, right? Because again, coming back to, as a country, we have very unique problems and also very unique solutions, whether it is the problems we have or the solutions, which is more like digital public infrastructure. So utilizing all of the resources available to you at a point and solving the problem that is here and now, I think is a big learning.
Hey guys, hey Sarvesh, hi Kimaya. Can I know how was the Google guest lecture you all just attended?
Yeah, first of all, it was very insightful. The reason is simply because in the initial part of the session, she talked about her journey. The way she has pivoted in her career was really phenomenal. She come from a psychology background, then they entered the sales, then strategy, then product. So it was really very inspiring to know how an individual can pivot into multiple streams as far as career is concerned. And later on, she talked about the growth story of AI. Specifically to India, which was really helpful for us as aspiring business leaders.
I mean, even I was there. That was very impressive. How she pivoted and she started off from sales and now she deals with startups and makes them. That's crazy. What about you?
I think it was a rather fun and engaging session. Sneha ma'am is quite an elegant speaker who knew how to captivate the audience interests, and she also made us do activities which was not the typical lecture that we have. So it was definitely a really interactive session where we learned about AI more through a business point of view and not just the generic definition that we know.
So I think overall by the end we had pitched to investors who were our classmates, and it was a very good and interactive session. We got to learn a lot and also do a lot. So it was a great session.